Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw Bitcoin from Binance to another wallet. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Okay, once you have already purchased Bitcoin, what we will do is come over here. Transfer. Here we will choose Bitcoin. And here we should transfer our Bitcoin from fiat and spot to funding. Okay, once that's done, we'll go to withdraw. Here we will choose Bitcoin. And here we will have to put the address of our personal wallet to which we want to send our Bitcoin. In my case, I will use Blue Wallet, but you can use any other open source wallet like Green Wallet, Electrum Wallet, etc. Make sure you copy correctly the seed phrase of your wallet before sending Bitcoin to it. Receive. We will copy the address of our wallet. Paste it here, and make sure it is correct by looking at the first 4 digits and the last 4 digits. And here below, in Network, we will put BTC, and then click on Withdraw. It is advisable to first send very little to verify that it has arrived correctly, and then if we can send a larger amount. If the video helped you, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you.